In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your desktop items on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So I'm going to show you two different methods you can use to do this. So the first method is if you just want to go ahead and hide everything on your desktop, you could do that nice and easily just by right-clicking somewhere on the desktop, clicking on View, and then selecting Show Desktop Items. And as you can see, now all of our items are now hidden. And this doesn't mean that they've been deleted, it just means that they're no longer visible. You can see that if I come over to my desktop folder, that everything is still here. And if you want to bring these items back, you can just right click again, click on View, and then select Show Desktop Icons. Now, the second method is if you just want to hide certain applications, then what you can do is just right click on the application and then press the trash icon to delete it. Now, when you do this, you're not actually deleting the application itself, you're only deleting the shortcut version of the app. So if it has this arrow icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the app, all that means is that it's a shortcut and it's safe to delete. So I wouldn't recommend deleting any files or anything like that. You can only do this with applications with the shortcut icon. And what you can do, so say for example, if I delete Steam here by right-clicking and pressing the trash icon, you can then head back over to your start menu. And if I search for Steam, you can see that the application's still here. And if I want to bring this shortcut back over to the desktop, I can just right-click on it, click on Open File Location, and then I can just right-click on Steam and press Send To and select Desktop. And then as you can see, it's now going to create a new Steam shortcut just like this. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you hide your desktop icons. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.